friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Vastarmor's custom Radeon RX 7900 XT Starry Sky GPU. So friend, Vastarmor was accepted to launch their custom Radeon RX 7900 card already in December, and 2 months later the company has finally ready to show us more some renders but not real card just yet. So friend, the company revealed their RX 7900 XT card with no information on the XTX model. This is a full custom design with dual 8-pin power connectors and brand new triple fan cooler, and together with PowerColor Red Devil, the card named Starry Sky will be among the few to feature black and red color scheme. And friend, this is not factory overclock model, still ships with AMD reference specification up to 2394 MHz. And friend, the RX 7900 XT SQ specification are Navy 31 with 5376 cores and 20 GB of GDDR6 memory. And friend, this newest desktop GPU features default display output configuration of 3 dB 2.0 and 1 HDMI 2.0 ports, and there is also a full cover backplate with X-shaped logo. And friend, this already be found listed. And friend, if I talk about pricing, the pricing is start at $1019. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.